Yeah, hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to take this opportunity once again to thank you very much for subscribing to my mailing list. I'll be giving out my pure value as I've promised you already. And I wanted to share this quick video as the one for the training that we're gonna be having. Before we do start the training, it would be best that I do introduce myself to those of you who do not know me, so that at least you will have an idea of who I am and why you shall listen to me. Right, so to start with, my name is Fidel, and I am from Ghana, which is located in West Africa. All right, my story is a bit similar to, I'm sure, your situation that you find yourself in. Um, I was in debt, right, and I needed a way to raise money so quickly. So I did try a lot of stuff out, but it didn't really work out like I planned. And I happened to come across binary options in March of 2014. So I have been involved with binary options for almost 2 years now, right? Since March 2014. That is when I came across binary options. Now I got a mail from some guy, which was titled, how would I feel to turn $2,250 into $1,000 in the next 5 hours, or I think it was the next 1 hour. That was what it really was. I was a bit skeptical, but I opened because it was a spam mail. All right, it was a spam mail, so I was a bit skeptical, but I did open it. And when I opened it, and when I opened it, I clicked on a link in the mail, and it took me to this video training where this guy had a training that he was using this martingale strategy, which is a gambling strategy, by the way. And your account needs to be that huge in order to profit from it. What I didn't know was that the guy was using the martingale strategy, and the martingale strategy is such that when you lose one, you're supposed to go double or put in twice the amount that you lost. All right, and he was using a demo account, so he had a huge balance, and I practiced the strategy with real cash, and I lost it down to zero. You get it? Because my balance wasn't that huge, my investment wasn't that huge, I easily lost my account down to zero. Then I realized that the strategy wasn't gonna work. So I did more research within the period to find out how I could benefit from binary options trading, because I really needed the money, and I realized that it was the quickest way to make money online. I mean, this is the only form of online money making where you don't need to go beg anybody or worry anybody to buy your item or try to convince people to buy your product. You literally print money on demand when you want to, without having to depend on anybody. All right. With the other money making opportunities online, you will have to sell a product to someone who has to make a purchase before you get a commission on it. Now, with binary options, you control how much you want to make in a day. You decide how much you want to make in a day. All right, you literally print your own money. So I needed to find a way to tap into this industry and tap into the system in order to make money from it. So losing using a martingale strategy, or call them the martingale strategy, or whatever name you want to call it, I had to find another way to make money with it. So I did a lot of research, and I came across a lot of different strategies, and I realized they all weren't working for me, even to a point where I opened accounts with some brokers who were not regulated. All right, and got myself involved in some scam activities. I got scammed by some of these brokers, manipulating the prices of the assets and all that. That's one thing you have to watch. When you are opening an account or trying to get into the binary options industry, you need to register with a regulated broker. Don't worry, I have you covered, and I'm gonna show you and teach you which broker you should open an account with, as that will help you and safeguard your funds and prevent you from losing your money. Alright, the unregulated ones easily manipulate the prices, and when you're supposed to win, they increase the number of pips and then get you to lose. All right, so don't worry, I have it covered in the training series, and then you will get to know which broker to open an account with. So getting involved with binary options, I had these brokers with the account managers begging me left and right, open an account with this, invest this amount, yeah, invest that amount, and then we will give you trading signals and all that. Now I tried that as well. I listened to one of the brokers who gave me this trading analyst, and I did the same thing. And you know what they do initially is they give you good signals, so you get convinced, and then you invest a higher amount, then they give you wrong signals, which causes you to lose the money down to zero. Then they start begging you again to invest another amount. So I realized that would not work for me. So the only way out was to learn how to trade on my own. All right. So since September, was it September? Yeah, September 2014, I went on the expedition on the hunt or on the adventure to learn how to trade on my own. So I did a lot of research, a lot of studying, and then I came out with a lot of strategies. I came up with a lot of strategies because I got to a point where I understood the nature of the binary options industry and knew what you're supposed to do, all right, in order to profit from it. Now, I have most of these strategies and I will be teaching them along the line. The latest strategy I have discovered is the OBOS strategy, which is the upper bottom of a soul trading strategy, which I'm going to teach you. All right, now you should listen to me and you should keep your eye on your inbox in order to get more information from me or more training from me, because I have been in the industry for the past 2 years and I know the ups and downs, the left and right, the pros and cons of the industry. All right, I know where you can make mistakes and where you can benefit from. Yeah, I do know the ins and outs of the entire program, all right, the entire training, the entire binary options industry. So what I want to do is to help you avoid making the same mistakes. And someone will ask, what's the catch here? The catch here is to help you. I just want to help you, all right? I just would like to see most of you succeed. And my catch here is try my strategy out, let it work, and all you do is just comment. Just send the word out there. Let everybody know that there is a guy called Fidel from Ghana, West Africa, who has this great binary options trading strategy he's giving out for free, and he's teaching people how to make money. That is what I want. That is the catch. That is the only catch. You have nothing to lose. All you have to do is just follow the training, practice it, do as I say, and then, believe you me, you will make money. All right? Yeah, the next thing I'd like to do is to introduce you to what the training series is gonna be about. All right, I want to introduce you to the training series for the OBOS trading strategy that we're gonna be having. Now, we have 4 steps. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, these are the 5 steps that you need. I call them principles. The reason is because if you did not follow any of these above mentioned principles, the strategy wouldn't work well for you. All right, I have tested it on a number of brokers and I have realized that it works with a particular type of broker. All right, and you need to have certain things in a chronological order. Things have to follow. Okay, one step has to be done before the other. If you do not follow the steps and you do one thing before the other thing or the other, you end up making mistakes and the strategy will not work good for you. Alright, now the steps include, first of all, you need to get a charting software. You can never take any trading decision or use the OBOS strategy without a charting software. Now this charting software will need to give you live feed. Alright, live feed. Now let me show you what a live feed is. Give me a minute, let me show you what a live. Alright, this one referred to as a live feed, right? You can see the numbers changing right here. This shows that I'm receiving live feed. Alright, you can see the candlestick moving right here. Alright, this is showing that I'm receiving live. Look at the time, it's moving. Look at the date right here, it's 1st February 2016. Alright, this shows that I'm receiving live feed. Alright, okay, let me take you back to where we were. Alright, so I just showed you what a live feed chart is. Now that's what I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach you how to get a live feed. Live feeds on your charts. Alright, so that's going to be the first training. Alright, now the second training is going to teach you which kind of regulated broker you should open an account with, because I've tested it on a number of brokers, and it seems to work best and great on the regulated brokers platform. So I'm gonna show you that as well, and also I'm gonna show you how you can take a trade using the binary options or the high and low platform feature, because that's what you're gonna be using in trading. All right, so I'm gonna show you that as well, and then I'm gonna show you how you can practice strict money management strategy or principles in order not to lose your account down to zero, but make profits and invest just one time and just make profits out of it. All right, the next one I'm also going to train you on is how you can put your emotions in check and what you can do in order to put your emotions in check. All right, so that you do not have your emotions being all over the place. All right, so I'm going to teach you that. Then the final training, which we're going to final day, will be to teach you the OBOS strategy itself and how you can take a trading decision based on it. And I will take my time to take you through this training, because my aim is to make sure that you understand this and you're able to trade with it. All right, so I'll see you again very soon. Keep your eye on your inbox and make sure you check your inbox all the time for my mail, because I will be sending you the video trainings. I cannot tell you which particular day I'll be sending the video trainings, so just make sure you keep your eye on your inbox. All right, so till I do meet you again, I will say take care, have a nice day, and I do promise you I will help you to be profitable. All right, so till I see you again, have a nice day.